Hello, this is Bunting, and on this fine Christmas evening, I will be showing you how to make huge 808s in Vital like this. But before I go any further, I just want to say the majority of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you're seeing this and enjoying my videos, please consider subscribing. That would help me out a lot. Without further ado, let's make these fat fucking 808s. So this is just our fresh Vital patch. Note, Vital is free. You can get it in the description. And we're just immediately going to change our wavetable to basic shapes to this sine wave. That is the base of our 808. It's excellent. Now this doesn't sound very 808y because it's got a pluck and fade out. So to do that, we're messing with this envelope here. Just dragging this down and under, and dragging this release out. Cool. Now we're going to go into envelope 2 to give it this pluckiness, to give it that punch and kick. So we're just dragging this envelope after decreasing the decay, sustain, and release, and lowering the attack too. And we're putting this on our pitch. That gives it that kicky punch. Now, if you're listening very carefully, you'll hear that the 808s are overlapping, but we can solve that by putting voices to 1. So whenever any new note hits, it cuts out the last one, so we have no interference. Let's also turn our glide up and put on always glide and legato, so we can glide between notes and have that awesome effect. Next thing is this white noise. Rip your ears, I apologize. And we're just going to add the tiniest bit, just for some crunchy texture on the 808. You gotta, need some texture. And that'll really come out with these effects. So first things first, distortion on soft clip. Turning this drive up, goddamn. Now, I don't want it that freaking clipped, so I'm turning it down to around 24 decibels. Maybe... I'm liking 21 right now, so it's on 21. There you go. And next thing is this compressor on multiband. Just clicking that, and as you can see, it kind of comes in weird. So we turn the attack up, and it's much more straightforward. And the release up, and it will release right with this envelope. Won't have any artifacts tingling out, tinkling, sprinkling, whatever, out, fading out. You get it. Now, one thing I don't like about this 808 right now is that the noise kind of sticks around longer than the bass does, it sounds. So to solve that, we're adding this filter. And we're going to turn our resonance down so there's no weird peak like that, even though that could be cool. But we're going to assign our envelope here to this filter. And what that does, it's cutting out all the high end, which the 808 doesn't have a lot of, but the noise does. That way there is no lingering stuff around here. And that about covers it for this 808. And you can really customize your 808. You can remove the noise if you don't like that. You can change the envelope so it's longer. You can change it so it's shorter. And another thing you can do is mess with these distortion settings. Cool. Lots of cool options to mess with if you're feeling crazy. And the last kind of more advanced thing, call it, you can do is draw in some harmonics here. Now adding these second and third harmonics can really fatten up your bass. Of course, you want this first harmonic the fattest, of course. But really just experiment with that and see what you think sounds the fattest and best to your lovely ears. Make it your own, and when you're done, you can make it into a sample by just freezing it, or however you record audio or bounce it to audio in your DAW. Boom, 808 sample. And then you could throw it into your beat like this and all that, and save it and distribute it and make your 808 sample pack live out your dreams. That about covers it. Whoops. So experiment, have fun with this. You know, if you like the video, leave a like. If you have any questions about what I did here, leave a comment, and also comment any suggestions for future videos you might have. And as always, consider subscribing if you like the video. And this was Bunting. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.